buli mulembe gukyuka n'enzimba naye ekyuka. Kato Akura Construction Services Limited twakuguka nnyo mu kuzimba okwa buli kika okutuukagana n'omulembe. Tuzimba biodigester septic tank tezijjula ate ng'okuzimbibwa etwala ekifo kitono ddala ab'amaka, amasomero, amasinzizo, hotels n'ebifo ebirala. Mwetaaga kabuyonjo ekika kino mutambule n'omulembe. Tukola general construction okuba plan eza buli kika, okukola finishing, electrical installation, plumbing, okusiba tiles ne painting. Kw'ossa n'okusima enzizi eza buli kika. Tusangibwa Nateete ku Prime Village Mall level 2 room D7. Esimu noti 757 noti 54 noti noti oba noti 772 noti 9 Kato Akura Construction Services Limited. Zimba Uganda.
The Solid Waste Management Ordinance 2000, which is the instrument guiding management of solid waste in Kampala, it has a provision. It's very clear. You can look it up. Whoever engages in this business of solid waste management and you have got a concessionary agreement with us, it's mandatory, it's obligatory that you go and secure your own dump site or landfill. Actually, they ought to have built their own landfill. Unfortunately, we have been magnanimous and lenient to them. They have been dumping at our site at Kitezi at no cost. There is no tipping fee. Actually, the law provides for a tipping fee. But we were lenient. We said, no. Why? It's our facility. There is 4 billion to maintain it. Why do we impose this? Actually, it was in that spirit. Now that Chitez is full and we have gotten this crisis, it's not our duty to look for a facility for them. So if you are in this business, either you come and join us in the search for an alternative site where we can dump this garbage, or you secure your own and you dump your garbage there. And we are going to implement this policy. We have agreed on it here with the management, and it's binding on all of us. So we are going to issue an ultimatum pretty soon. We shall give you the deadline as to when you will stop even dumping at Katabi, because we are going to prepare it using public money, taxpayers' money. The moment we finish preparing Katabi at our own cost as KCCA, without your contribution as concessionaires, you have to choose your own area as a dump site.
Thanks, Lord Mayor.
Not, or any other effluent does not get directed into the waters. We have also agreed to create some sock pit of sorts, because it's not easy at this material time to provide for a leachate treatment plant, because it takes a bit of time. We said, okay, for the time being, we can put the sock pit and also that barricade the wall to block any kind of contamination with the lake, because it's going to affect aquatic life, and this has to take immediate effect. And also it has also to be graded to keep it flat. So we are going to put there maram immediately. We're also going to put there some graders and excavators to ensure that that land is kept flat. We don't want to create another disaster in that area, mountains, because we are generating over 2,500 tons a day. And the other area is very small, 14 acres. And one of the acres, one acre is already encroached on. So what is available is 13 acres. And already the mountains had started piling up in that particular area. So we have to flatten it. That is in the immediate term.